In cybersecurity, we use a lot of tools that can help us. The one tool that we're going to use today is Whois. It provides additional details from the DNS registered information. Notice that I typed in whois space netflix.com, and then it provided details. I'm using a virtual box with Ubuntu because Linux provides native tools. Even in the base information, it provided that this site was created in 1997 and the additional DNS sites that are under the netflix.com information. There's a Windows version of Whois as well, although it doesn't come natively. This is one of the reasons why cybersecurity experts use Linux, because many of the tools come natively. For Windows, I had to go to the Microsoft website and download the Whois command and added it to my Windows desktop. You can see it still provides the same level of information. However, in general, we use Linux and its command tools because they are native to Linux and help out cybersecurity professionals. Thank you.